Every day, millions of people lift weights hoping to build muscle. Some spend hours in the gym with little to show for it, while others seem to grow stronger every week. Muscle growth happens after your workout, not during it. When you lift weights, your muscles experience stress. This sends a signal telling your body to rebuild them stronger. Without enough protein, your body cannot fully repair muscle fibers or maximize muscle growth. To keep building muscle, you must gradually increase the challenge. Your muscles adapt only when they're pushed beyond what they're used to. To keep building muscle, you must gradually lift more weights or perform more repetitions over time. Your muscles grow best when each set challenges them. The last few repetitions should feel difficult to complete. Heavy and lighter weights can both build muscle. What matters most is challenging your muscles with good form. Doing more sets isn't always better. Quality training with enough volume produces the best muscle-building results. Perfect form builds more muscle than lifting heavy with poor technique. Control every repetition from start to finish. Which muscle group should we explain next? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more science-based fitness videos. Training each muscle twice a week often produces better results than training it only once every week. Muscle growth doesn't happen overnight, and through small improvements each week lead to impressive results over time. The best workout plan is the one you can follow consistently. Results come from months of steady effort. Most muscle growth happens between 6 and 12 repetitions when each set feels challenging. Resting between sets helps your muscles recover so you can perform your next set with maximum effort. Compound exercises train multiple muscles, helping you build strength faster. Compound exercises build overall strength, while isolation movements help target specific muscles for balanced development. Training muscles regularly provides repeated growth signals while allowing enough time for recovery and repair. Sleep gives your body time to repair muscle fibers and support stronger growth after training. Muscle grows through consistent training, proper nutrition, and recovery over time. Skipping recovery or protein can slow muscle growth, even with hard training. Building muscle requires training, nutrition, and recovery, working together consistently. Muscle growth takes time because the body adapts slowly through consistent effort. Building muscle is a science of training, nutrition, and recovery working together. Enjoying the science behind fitness? Subscribe to Lean Science for simple, evidence-based videos every week.